Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can hide subscriber on YouTube. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. The first step you need to do is to search in Google YouTube and open YouTube and log in your channel, and once you log in you simply need to click on your channel icon in the top right, and then you need to click on YouTube Studio. And once you are in YouTube Studio you simply need to click on settings, and once you are in settings you simply need to click on channel, and here you can see the option of advanced settings. Click on that option, and here you need to scroll down, and here you can see that display the number of people subscribed to my channel. You simply need to uncheck and click on save, and let me show you my channel. So here you can see that my subscribers are now hide. You are not able to see how many subscribers I have. So this is the process by which you can hide subscriber on YouTube. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.